No. Alright, I'm up here with my friends in Colorado, and this is his '03 Raptor that he's going to crank. I know y'all seen the videos of it with it all torn apart and wondered what it sounded like. Well, here it goes. Alright.
Capital Freight.
Alright. And it's got the, what kind of headers?
Looney Tuned.
Looney Tune. So that's a complete Looney Tuned exhaust. And it's tuned. So what you say, Looney Tune? Alright, because I don't know.
Sounds good.
I don't know. And then what all have you done to it? What kind of cams?
It's a 719. It's got 39mm FCRs. It's got
Alright, so it was a 660 and you big board to a 719.
board stroke. Yep.
Okay.
So it's third cam. This is the hot cam state something. I forget now.
Alright.
Big valve supported. Valve springs, all that good crap.
So would it be safe to say that it moves quickly?
Yeah. At 7,000 feet, it's not bad. Ready?
So you want to do a donut real quick?
All right. I can go ride.
The one on the red is from the channel The Pep and Cut Show, which you ought to check them out. They're two young guys, brothers, and very funny to watch, humorous, and good kids, real good kids. Got a good mom and daddy behind them, so you know they gotta be good. And here comes the littlest one. Where is he? Right there. His name is Cutter. Which I really think they got cool names. The one on the red is Pepper, and they just crossed each other there. That's Pepper, and the one on the orange is Cutter. Of course, that's my friend Brock.